In this video, I'll show you how you need to insert your envelope inside of the manual feed slot on your Brother laser printer. This one is located over here. So first thing, you're gonna stick your finger there and you're gonna lower this door. You're gonna notice there are some plastic gray guides here. Maybe yours are all the way to the extremities like this. You need to bring them a bit together. Take your envelope. This one is an envelope size number 10. It's a pretty regular one, and you'll want to put it facing up. So over here we have the slot where you put your papers inside, and this should be facing down, and the printed side should be facing up. You need to place it facing up with the opening on the left side, you see, like this. Simply glide it slowly in this slot until you feel that you cannot glide it anymore. The printer took it, I don't know if you saw, took it just maybe an inch or even less than that just to secure it. And then you need to bring these two gray guides together until it barely touches the envelope. You don't want the envelope to be squished. These guides are there so the envelope does not come crooked inside of this slot. Once you're done doing this, don't forget to open the door in the back, on the back of the printer, because this is where the envelope will come out. So over here we're on the back of the printer, and usually this door goes down. So you simply need to lower it and leave it in this position. That's all. You don't need to touch anything over here. Here we go. So this is our final product. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment as well, and I'll see you in the next video.